Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great and I'm sure that you're practicing yoga. If you are not, please check out my videos and start practicing right now. So how many of you all feel that your body becomes tensed and stiff every time you get nervous, or especially for those sports persons who have a big match to play? Do you feel your body becomes all that tensed and difficult to move when you are under such emotional stress? Yes, stress does that to our body. So today's technique is a very simple one and we're going to focus on our exhalation. Have you heard that saying that where your breath goes, your mind follows? That is so true. Let's see how it feels to work on our exhalation now. What we'll be doing is we'll be inhaling for 4 counts and then I'm going to be exhaling for 8 counts, which means that my exhalation will be double of what I inhale. So let's see how to do it first. I'm going to inhale. And exhale. So that was exhalation for 8 counts. Now what you can do to increase the relaxation level is you can also exhale through your mouth. So inhaling through the nose and then exhaling through the mouth. Now the count of 4 and 8 is for absolute beginners. If you feel that your breathing capacity is good, what you can do is you can inhale for 8 counts and then you can exhale for 16 counts. So let's see how to do that. First, sit relaxed and I'm going to start now. Inhaling. Exhaling. So that's how steady and slow your breathing can actually be. So if I have to do it by exhaling through the mouth, I will demonstrate that as well. So inhaling for 4 and exhaling for 8, the beginner's way. Fine, inhale, exhale. So exhalation has always been an important part of relaxing our muscles. And the reason this technique works so well to relax your body is because if you have noticed, inhalation takes a lot of effort, whereas exhalation happens effortlessly. So the more relaxing you want to feel, your exhalation has to be that much slower. So thank you for today. This is all I wanted to share with you all in today's video. Keep practicing, keep being safe, and most importantly, make sure that you remain healthy always. Okay, and if you haven't liked, subscribed, and shared my video with your friends, please do that right now. Bye-bye.